Hi, it's Bruce Carson, your favorite Central Coast realtor, reminding you, remember, last weekend we changed our clocks. Now it's Friday, March 18th. What that means is now we're under a time crunch because a lot of you have been waiting to sell your home until spring. And guess what? Sunday, March 20th, 2 days, that's the first day of spring here. And so I encourage you to list your house with me and my team, the Keenan Carter Group, on Monday. But I have an assignment for you this weekend. Go ahead and get your tools out, fix up anything that's broken or glaring in the house. Go ahead and do some spring cleaning. Get those windows clean inside and out. If you declutter your countertops in the house, make it look a little bit more inviting. And then, of course, a tip that we always give people is take your personal photos, your family photos off the wall. You can even turn them around for the photographer as well as for showings. It kind of takes the you out of the house and lets people imagine that house being their next home. So anyway, you have all weekend. You have a small assignment, sweep up, get your power washer, shine up that house, and then give me a call first thing Monday morning. You can call or text 805-458-4144. And we're at the Keenan Carter Group, and all of our other information is here. I'll talk to you on the weekend or on